So there's two more little text boxes that I want to create here. We've got one for the total income, but now I want to create one for the total spent and the leftover, what we have left from our income versus our total spent. So let's do our total spent first. Now to make this a little bit simpler, I'm going to select the previous one, just copy it, Control C. I'll click someplace empty, Control V, paste that thing in. Now I've got my second box. Now that box, it's still referencing the same cell. With it selected, I can still see in my formula bar that it's referencing V1. Well, I need a new formula. So I'm going to change that reference from V1 to V2. That way it'll just be the cell directly below it. So now I want to create this box that gives me our total spent, right? What's our actual amount that we've spent across all of our bills? So here, with the box selected, it's already referencing that cell, V2. We're good there. Now I'm going to go over to V2, and I'm going to create the formula. So we'll say, first off, inside of quotes, we'll say total spent. Okay, good there. I'm going to scroll over. Actually, I'll just go to my formula bar here at the top. So let's make that a little bit bigger. All right, so total spent. Then I'm going to use an ampersand symbol because I'm going to bring in the char character. Remember the number to be able to create the line break. And we'll say 10. Bring in another ampersand. And here I want it to give me the total spent across all of the categories. So here I'll just say sum, open parentheses, and I'm going to grab the total actual for bills. Then I'm going to do a comma. Total actual for expenses, comma, and then for subscriptions. I'll close the parentheses, and I'm going to hit my enter key. And there's our total spent. Now, I forgot one function inside there. So if I go back to that cell, we need to, right before the sum, we need to bring in that text function. All right? And here we'll do a comma. And then it was, let's see, it was $, pound, comma, pound, 0.00, close the quote, close the parentheses. I think I remember that right. And there we go. There's our total spent and a sum of all of our actual spent across our bills. And I want to increase the font size. What did I do? 16 there. So I'll bump this one up to 16 as well. Get that one done. So I just created a copy of the first box, had it reference the next cell down below, and here's our little formula right there. Total spent, combine that with the line break, combine that with the text and sum to get your total expense across all your bills. Try it out.